I use Beaver Builder on all the sites that I build, but sometimes I get asked to work on sites that have been built on a different framework. So even if I'm working on a site that's not a Beaver Builder site, I love using Assistant, but it's especially cool on Beaver Builder sites. So this video is going to be all about Assistant's functionality that specifically pertains to the Beaver Builder product line. So that's going to be the Beaver Builder Page Builder, Beaver Builder Theme, and Beaver Themer. So let's take a quick look at our content tab because our Beaver Builder templates are going to be here under templates and our themer layouts are going to be here under themer layouts. Another thing that we're able to do is pull in our theme settings. So I'm going to show you here in one of my libraries where I have the theme settings stored right here. And this will work with other themes as well, but since Assistant is a Beaver Builder product, special attention is paid to being compatible with the Beaver Builder theme and other Beaver Builder products. I'm going to take a quick moment to review how to save content in Beaver Builder Page Builder. So the first thing I'm going to point out is how to save a page template, and that's over here under the Tools menu, Save Template. So we just enter a name for our template and hit Save, but I'm not going to save. As well as page templates, we can also save rows, columns, and modules. So I'll just quickly demonstrate that for you, starting with rows. Just click down here where it says Save As, then enter a name for your row and click Save. I'm not actually going to save mine. The process is exactly the same for columns and modules. So I'll just run through the motions real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. These are the column settings where you'd save your column, and then I'm going to click here on this module and same exact thing. You just click Save As, and that's how you save a module. We can also save themer content in Assistant Pro. So we don't have to do anything extra beyond creating a themer layout. You create the themer layout, and then that's going to be saved as a themer layout on your site, and you can access it and save it to Assistant. So I'm going to circle back here to Assistant and show you how we browse for those things one more time. So here is where the templates appear in Assistant from the site. And here is where the themer layouts are that I have on this site. There are two ways to get content up onto the Assistant Pro Cloud. The first way I'm going to show you is using the Libraries app, and then I'll show you how to upload content to the cloud using the Content app. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate to you how to add a couple pieces of content from the site to my Libraries app, and then I'll stick them on another site. So I'll go ahead and navigate down to my Libraries app, and I'm going to create a new library for this demo. Okay, the first piece of content I'm going to add, I know that I have a call to action saved row here, so I can easily search for that. So the next thing I'm going to upload here to my Libraries app is a themer layout. And before we move on, I'm going to show you how to upload content to the cloud from the Content app. So just click on the piece of content that you want to upload. I'll upload a template. Then select Save to Library, and you'll be given the choice of what library you'd like to save that piece of content to. Okay, now that we have a couple of pieces of content uploaded to the cloud, I'm going to hop on another demo site and put those pieces of content on that site. So here's the library that we created on that other site. And I could import these one by one, but I'm just going to import the entire library. All right, now I'm going to close Assistant and launch the Beaver Builder Page Builder and add that piece of content to this page. From here, I'm going to navigate to Saved Rows, and there's my saved row here that I just imported from Assistant Pro. And that same process is going to apply to saved templates, saved rows, saved columns, and saved modules. So normally we publish, but I'm just gonna discard this. Now let's add that Beaver themer layout that we put onto Assistant Pro from our other site. And we're gonna find that here filed under themer layouts. My categories are set up differently on this site, so it has wiped out my settings, but I'll just have it post to all archive pages. So after I hit refresh, there's my themer layout here on my blog archive page. So that is an overview on the nuts and bolts of how to upload Beaver Builder content to the Assistant Pro Cloud and stick it on another site. What I'd like to do now is put this into context in a more practical way. Because simply put, Assistant is a tool for web designers to be able to quickly get their design collections up onto WordPress sites. So we're not typically going to be working with little one-off odds and ends like this. We're going to be working with entire libraries. So I'm going to head over to Assistant Pro and utilize one of the libraries that's been posted to the community. And I'm recording this video while Assistant Pro is still in beta, but there's already some really great content up here. And for this demo, I'm going to use this one called Designer by Paul Lacey. So now I'm going to head over to this fresh WordPress install that I have, and it has the whole Beaver Builder product line on it: Beaver Builder Page Builder, Beaver Builder Theme, Beaver Themer, and Assistant. And I've already refreshed my page, so when I open up my Libraries app, here it is. The first thing I'm going to do is import a Beaver Builder page template. And I'll just go ahead and launch Beaver Builder and add that to my page right now. And the next thing I'm going to do is add themer layouts to replace my header and footer. So here's the header. I'm going to import that. And now I'll go back and import the footer as well. And the header and footer themer layouts are already set to display on all pages, so all I need to do is refresh my browser window and they'll show up. There's a lot of potential here for these community assets. You can use them as is to build new sites, or you can use them as a starting point to create your own designs. And you can also start from scratch and create your own community libraries to share with the Beaver Builder community.